In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Airtable efficiently, whether you're embarking on a new project or managing an ongoing one. Using Airtable for task management can significantly streamline your workflow. If you're looking to organize tasks with subtasks, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and break down each step to make the process clear and straightforward for you. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Airtable. You can do this by opening your web browser and entering the Airtable URL. Once there, you'll either log into your existing account or sign up if you're new to the platform. Once you're logged in, you're ready to take the next step toward effective task management. Now, it's time to create a new base, or if you already have a base that you're using for your project, go ahead and open that one up. A base in Airtable is akin to a project or a spreadsheet, where you can arrange all sorts of information in tables, much like you would in a database. This is the foundational step that sets you up for adding your tasks and subtasks. Once you have your base open, the next step is to create a table within it for your main tasks. Consider this table as the home for all your major tasks related to the project. Give the table a clear name that reflects the nature of your main tasks so that it's easy to identify at a glance. This way, you can always know where your main focus lies. With the main tasks table ready, you'll want to add another table within the same base, and here you'll call it subtasks. This separation helps in organizing different levels of tasks without everything getting muddled up. This dedicated table is where each subtask will live, making it easier to track and manage. Next, direct your attention to the interface, and you should notice an option to add a field. Click on this to proceed. The fields in a table are similar to columns in a spreadsheet, each representing a different piece of information that you want to track. Adding a field is essential for setting up your structure for connecting tasks to subtasks. Once you've added the field, you'll be setting up what's known as a linked record field in your subtasks table. This is a powerful feature that allows you to create connections between records in different tables. In this case, you'll be linking each subtask to its corresponding main task. This connection is vital as it forms a relational structure that keeps everything organized and coherent. With your linked record field set up, it's time to manage and update the specifics, such as status, due dates, or any other relevant fields that you think are essential for your project's success. This step is crucial for monitoring progress and ensuring that tasks are completed on time. Give yourself the flexibility to tweak and adjust as necessary, keeping everything transparent and accessible to all team members involved. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage tasks and subtasks within Airtable. The setup is not overly complicated, but rather designed to give you clarity and control over your projects. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.